Hey guys, it's Brittany with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I just wanted to go over how you are now able to share designs with other agents, staff members, team members, right from command. So this is going to be for any designs that you've created through the command platform. You now have access to share them. So again, with any team members that you might be on a team with, any agents that are associated with Keller Williams or staff members. So as long as they are in the KW network, you will have access to share designs with them. So this will be fantastic for teams. So team members will now have access to share designs that they've previously created with other team members. Staff members will also be able to share designs with not only agents in their office, but other staff members of other market centers they might be associated with. Same thing for agents just within market centers or outside of your market center. You can also share designs that way. So one thing I do want to mention before diving into the actual designs platform is I do want to notate that I am using a Firefox browser. So I'm logged into command on Firefox, and I'm also using a private window. You'll notice from the top right-hand side of my browser, you have that little mask. That's letting you know that I'm using a private Firefox window. We have noticed that Firefox does work best with the designs platform. So if you guys are running into any issues at all with something loading or it's just not registering, definitely try using the Firefox browser before anything else because it does seem to fix the issue. From here, I am logged into command and I'm just going to go ahead and select my designs icon on the left-hand side. This is going to be our third icon from the bottom. Once we are in our designs platform, you guys are going to see all of the designs that you've previously created in command. They're all going to load here for you. And in order to actually share them, we need to get into the WeBrand platform. So one of the quickest ways to get there is going to be to click on Create Design on the top right-hand corner. And then we're just going to select Print. So I'm just going to make sure that that one's outlined. It should turn teal for you. And once you've selected it, we'll go ahead and click on Continue. Once the WeBrand platform loads, you'll notice the URL also changes. It updates itself to kw.webrand.com. And then it will automatically bring you to your templates section. So this is where you would normally locate any templates that you're looking to use when you're creating a new design. What we're going to do is jump over to our My Designs tab. This is going to be right on the top left. So we're on templates. We're going to go ahead and click on My Designs. Once this section loads, you'll notice that all of the designs we were just looking at are populating here, which is fantastic. Another thing I want to mention is you can bookmark this URL and it will continue to work. So if you are planning on coming back in here regularly, maybe there's multiple designs you need to share, you can bookmark this page specifically so you won't have to go through that same process through command that we just went through. So if you guys want to bookmark this page, you can. But once we are on this page, what you're going to want to do is locate the design that you're looking to share with them. I'm just going to go ahead and share one of our email signatures with another agent to kind of show you guys what that will look like. But I'm just going to select my design that I'm going to be working with by clicking on our three dots. So once you guys locate the design you want to share, we're going to click on the three dots associated with that design. From here, we're just going to check on our design visibility. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on design visibility. And you'll notice sometimes it automatically defaults to private design. So what this means is if you share it, what happens is it doesn't actually go through. So we do want to make sure that we either have it updated to anyone from KW or anyone can view. I have it currently set to anyone can view, but either of these two should allow you access to share this design. You just want to make sure that private design is not selected. Once you guys have clicked on either anyone from KW or anyone can view, it will automatically select it and it will close that window out for you. Now that you've confirmed your visibility, we're going to click on those three dots once more, and right above design visibility, we're going to see share. I'm just going to go ahead and click on my share button, and that's going to pull up a pop-up that essentially has a drop-down list waiting to be used. So from here, all we're going to do is start typing in the agent or staff member that you're looking to share the design with. So I'm just going to go ahead and start typing that name in. And then once you've typed the name in, make sure that it is the correct agent or the correct staff member that you're selecting. And I'm just going to click on their name. And you're going to notice once you click on their name and you just move your mouse and you're no longer hovering over that person, you're going to notice they now have an X. This means that you've selected them and that they're essentially good to go. If you are selecting more than one person with that name, or maybe you're selecting a team, you can go ahead and select those on here, and you just want to make sure that they all have that X. The plus sign means that they still have to be added. Once you've done that, we're just going to go ahead and click on Done on the bottom right. And now you'll get your little pop-up on the bottom left-hand corner. Only pops up for about a second, but it's going to say done and that everything has been transferred. So now that's giving them a copy of your design. From here, we're going to go ahead and pull up Leah's account just to show you guys what that looks like on her end as well. So all I'm going to do is pull up her command platform. I'm going to go through the same process we just did just to locate that shared design. So I'm on the home page, and now I'm just going to go ahead and go into her designs on our left-hand side. And then from here, I'm going to go through that same process by clicking on Create Design in the top right-hand corner. And then we're just going to select Print, just like before. And then Continue. From here, we'll go ahead and select My Designs once more. And again, this is also why it will be fantastic if you bookmark this page. It will allow you just to jump right in here. But you'll notice now the design that I shared is showing up right here, and I have access to open the design just by clicking it. And give it a second to load. And now I have access to make edits. The full design came over. So that's how you can share designs, and keep in mind, you can do this for teams, staff members, agents within your office, outside of your office. You guys have access to now share designs between command with anybody within the Keller Williams network.